Rakugo. Will writers lose to AI? Master, big trouble. Novelists are panicking. AI is stealing our jobs. Oh? Did AI summarize the news all wrong again and start a firestorm? No, Master. AI is too good, and it's the humans who are panicking. Editors are asking writers, now that AI can write fiction, what is the value of your novel? That really makes them snap. Well, writers have always been in the business of noveling, you know? Master. Do novelists aim for the Nobel Prize because the words sound alike? Just because novelist sounds like Nobelist doesn't mean they're all aiming for Stockholm. A novelist is simply someone who keeps on telling stories, endlessly. That sounds like someone who never stops talking, kind of annoying. Same with Rakugo performers. You should talk, we could fill an entire theater with how much you babble backstage. That's true, Master. You hardly perform Rakugo anymore, you just sing. That's why we call it a profession of eccentrics. Anyway, writers survived handwriting, the typewriter, the word processor, the internet. Every time, someone said, this new tool will destroy writing. Yet writers survived. Well, not all of them. But Master, this time the opponent is AI. People say it can write 10,000 characters in 1 second. AI doesn't write. AI spits out. So AI spits out stories. That sounds unappetizing. AI is a machine. It grabs bits from mountains of data and spits them out. Summaries, digests, mashups, AI loves that stuff. Master, AI really does summarize anything instantly now. Took it long enough. But listen, writers are weirdos who love writing. I see, that's you too, Master. Quiet. Writers write even when they can't make a living. It's the same for all artists. So they're all self-proclaimed artists? Don't insult artists. In any art, the art comes from the heart. The technique is just the tool. So a tool evolving into AI doesn't change the essence. So AI is just a tool? Exactly. Having a microwave doesn't eliminate chefs. Having a piano doesn't eliminate pianists. And having AI won't eliminate writers or Rakugo performers. But Master, people say AI will steal your job. Some journalists already lost theirs. That's because they are doing work that could be stolen. Master, that's harsh. Truth hurts. Readers want the moment a human heart trembles, and AI has no heart, meaning AI has no love. Without love, there's no real story. Master, so a novel is something you write, read, open, and feel. That's surprisingly poetic for you. Stories are something you open. Open a book, and you open your heart. A heartless AI can't open anyone else's. Then, Master, how does a writer survive? Simple. Use AI, but leave the last sentence to a human. The last sentence? But AI, Chadi-sama, writes an entire Rakugo act in a second. And that, my boy, is why AI will take your job first. The last line, the space, the human only humans can write. When AI becomes perfect, human imperfection becomes the story. Master, that sounds like a masterpiece. Of course, stories run on love. If AI gains love, it becomes convenient. If humans have love, it becomes literature. And with the right timing, you get humanity. So Master, writers and AI can coexist? Coexist? If used well, AI becomes the writer's porter, carrying the work to readers. Porter? Like soccer? No, you fool. That's football. I'm talking about carrying the load. Oh, like that extra person at the supermarket bagging groceries. That helpful person. Yes, except not that person. AI carries the story. Humans write it. Good teamwork, isn't it? So AI is a delivery service with love? Or like an iMessage with heart? You think putting AI and love together always gets a laugh, don't you? Love. Writers must ride AI like a tool. Ride? Like a rider? Writer, you idiot. Master, Rakugo storytellers should use AI too, right? Sure, but Rakugo performers won't be replaced so easily. Why not, Master? Because audiences pay money to come laugh, even when the performer barely tries. Rakugo exists partly thanks to the effort of the audience. That's why I'm not letting AI steal my punchline anytime soon. Master, that's oddly noble. Don't get used to it. That was beautiful. Master, your closing line? And with that, our little show comes to an end.